so cute.
Annie was her name.
Annie, the
Yeah.
one who said na she is dangerous.
No, the other one.
The other one? The dangerous
the
one?
4 and 1.
Okay.
She was dangerous, and her mom just cooked her dog like she was like cooking her dog, Annie's dog, and Annie said, I think she said, "Where's my dog?" And mom said, "Dinner is ready." And Annie just saw her dog just cooked.
Ang dog?
Yeah. So I think she didn't eat it, or she just ate it.
She just eat.
Or she didn't eat it. And after that,
Then why she cook the dog?
and Annie just broke a plate, like a plate, and her mom just locked the door in Annie's room, and her mom just burned the place up, burned the place.
Katugaina?
Like,
Ito na born an place na imo gedtoan?
oh, ang kana pink house ba, just, and I was like in my other account, in the other name, the different name, like, and after that, my other, and my account just come back.
Gano?
Before I was in my other account, and now I was in my nice avatars account. Though I think it was her friend, or it was her. Oh my god! Nazak, you're guessing the book. We still need it. I accidentally just broke the book. Ay! Nagisi ay. And the mom just burned the house. I think she dropped her phone out the window, and it's still playing. I think she's still playing because she was not moving at all.